Hey guys, this is Sam. I just received 2 more packages in the mail. Let's see what they are. Already took out the way bill. Looks like an Android. First one here is my Nemu from DC Android. Had pre-ordered this. Let's see what the big box has. First, my keychain, Ruby from Koehime. The next PVC. Mini petite Nendroids. T-shirt. Noir from Tegami Bachi, or Letter B, whatever you want to call it. And my Colin glass cup. Well guys, this is all I've got in the mail today. I'll post more videos as soon as I get more stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye for now.